In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a service page in Wix. Whether you're a business owner, looking to showcase your offerings, or a freelancer ready to present your skills, creating an effective service page can be crucial. So let's dive in and make the process as smooth as possible. First, let's go to wix.com and log in. Now, if you're not familiar with where to start or you don't have an account yet, that's okay. Simply head to the Wix website and you'll find an easy sign-up process if needed. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your Wix dashboard. Here you'll want to click on Select and Edit Site. This is usually where all your personal or business sites are located, and it's an essential step in accessing your website editor. With your site chosen, you'll want to move on and click Design Site. This is your gateway to customizing the appearance and layout of your website. Once you're in this section, the magic begins. Click on the Wix Website Editor option for the specific site you are working on. This opens up the Wix Editor, which is the main workspace where all the customization happens. While you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left side of the screen to find the Pages and Menu tab. Once you've clicked this, it will bring up a list of your current pages and their hierarchy, giving you an overview of your entire site structure. Here is where you'll initiate the process of adding your new service page. The next step is to click on Add Page. You will be presented with various templates and options, but for our purpose, we will choose Services. This option is tailored specifically for showcasing what you offer, providing a great starting point with customizable features. Now, once you've selected Services, browse through the selection of service page templates. Take a moment to explore the options available and select one that best matches your style or specific business needs. It's worth taking your time here to ensure the template aligns well with your branding. After picking your desired service page template, go ahead and click on Add Page. This will integrate the template into your site, starting your journey to a well-crafted representation of your services. From this point, you're free to fill in the page with relevant content, such as descriptions, images, and pricing of the services you provide. Remember, the key is to keep it clear and informative so potential clients understand what you offer. And there you have it. Your new service page is ready to be customized and polished to perfection on Wix. Happy editing, and good luck showcasing your services.